Hello. I'm Scott.
And I'm Claire.
We should have done different mics. We should have done different mics. She's smaller.
And I'm Claire, and we are a writing partnership, and we've been writing together for about 14 years now, and we are originally from Scotland.
Hey, anyone from Scotland in tonight? No? Okay. Well, that's good. So this song we'd like to sing for you tonight is called Give Me Your Bonny Hand. It is from a show of ours called CEILIDH. And for us, we wanted to share it tonight because Claire and I have been writing together 14 odd years, and this kind of sums up our experience of writing together over that time. It's a song about bringing folk together and sharing in your commonality with each other. It's a song that kind of touches on our musical tradition and heritage as Scots, but most importantly, it's a song that when we first wrote it was like a 5-minute long song, but as we started developing the show, it's been cut down to a single verse and chorus. But tonight we're going to do the full version for the last time ever.
We premiered CEILIDH last year in Baltimore, and we're thrilled that a few of the musicians and great people we had with us are here on the stage tonight. So we want to say thank you.
Oh, I've locked my iPad. So really kind of all you really need to know about this song is what a CEILIDH is. So a CEILIDH is not just a word that I'm making up. It is a Scottish tradition that basically is a gathering. It's where people come together to share in songs, in stories, and most importantly, they share in dances. So these dances have been passed down through generations, and that's the experience of the show. The audience get to kind of get up and grab a drink and fling each other about and stuff like that. And the great news is that tonight the Joe's Pub's agreed that we can move all the tables to the side and make everyone dance together. Can you imagine that was what was going to happen next? Someone's eating a sandwich over there. No, we're not going to do that. That would be awful. But the main thing you need to know is that CEILIDHs have been around for a while. They began a while ago, a long while ago. 500 AD, to be precise. That famous date when someone in Scotland finally remembered to write something down. Scrawlings about some mad gathering, a social thing where folk would come to dance and sing, to be partnered up and hear tales of old passed down from elders who'd long turned cold. Held always by a chieftain's fire, they'd share a meal and then retire to find a hand for theirs to hold and dance the steps they'd soon be told. Because there's nothing like dancing when everybody's watching you, right? You'd have Big Agnes, a buxom lass with rosy cheeks and sizable hands. She'd likely pair with Angus Fern, a shy wee boy with much to learn. And at first sight, you'd likely assume a pair like that are surely doomed. But that's the magic of the dance, you see. When it starts, things cease to be. The world we're in swirls away as soon as the band begins to play. And after a shuffle or spin or two, the you were is no longer true. It's not a trick or a hokey-pokey spell. It's just a way to understand yourself. Because that's why we tell them stories and stuff. Because sometimes life just isn't enough. And now we're here, a few thousand years transpire, but how much has changed since that chieftain's fire? I'll give you clothes have come away, there's less kilts and tartan, that's fair to say, but at the heart, we're still the same, like Agnes and Angus, here by chance, here for the dance, or a moment that might change everything. Give me your bonny hand, my dear, I don't know where this road goes, but walk it with me and I'll keep you near. Then it'll be the path we chose. I knew a man from Stirling, his name was Hamish Dean. He'd a cottage on his own in a field by Loch Katrine. In the mornings he'd go fishing, in the afternoon he swam, and once the sun had set he'd often get lonely with a dram. Now Hamish had a brother whose friend had a wife that was playing in a band at a dance up in Fife. But Hamish, he gets dragged post fishing and post swim by his brother and his friend and some other lad called Jim. The boys begin to dance as Hamish goes to drink, but on the way he spots a girl who seems to give a wink.
I've seen you the fishing and I've kicked you when you swim. I don't suppose you'd be my dance when the band begin.
And so a boy has a moment where he feels he's lost for words, but his mouth moves regardless, and this is what she heard. Give me your bonny hand, my dear. I don't know where this road goes, but walk it with me and I'll keep you near. Then it'll be the path we chose. Give me your bonny hand, my dear. I don't know where this road goes, but walk it with me and I'll keep you near. Then it'll be the path we chose. The past beats inside like a second heart. It wills me to stop before I can start. But when it calls, it has nothing new to say. So hold to the night before the dawn takes it away. Here we go. Give me your bonny hand, my dear. I don't know where this road goes, but walk it with me and I'll keep you near. Then it'll be the path. One last time. Give me your bonny hand, my dear. I don't know where this road goes, and I'll keep you near. Then it'll be, the path we chose. Take your partner by the hand. The dance is about to begin. Thank you.